How to connect Wi-Fi in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application on your device. So right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar, and from that menu go to Setting. Or simply for a shortcut, click Window plus I key together to open the Settings application automatically. Once you are in the setting, you simply need to head toward Network and Internet setting. There you will see the option of Wi-Fi. Simply toggle off the feature and turn it on again. Then double click on Wi-Fi and you will be able to see all the network near you that you might be able to connect. Simply click on any one of the network, enter the password and choose the option of Connect. After that, if you are still having some problem connecting Wi-Fi in your device, simply go to System option from the left hand side menu. Scroll all the way down and go to Troubleshoot. Again go to Other Troubleshooters. There you will find the option of Wi-Fi, or you can also see the option of Network and Internet. Simply click on Run, and now system will manually run the troubleshoot for your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.